are at the 2015 KBIS show here in Las Vegas, and boy, do we have some very cool products to show you. We've got innovation galore. Stay tuned, we're gonna take you inside.
I think it's a fantastic show. I'm always so excited to come here. This kind of kickstarts our creative process for the year. The best part for me is you get to see the very best kitchen and bath manufacturers all in one space.
Our body spray system, when you turn it on, the body spray will actually extend from the wall, allowing you to adjust it for your height.
All right, you ready for this? Bam! Look at that! I love it!
So what matters more, horsepower or torque? 7 speeds or 8? Let's hand it over to our drivers, Matt Mullins and Terry Yearwood, to find out.
Three, two, one, go.
Where you going, baby? Nah, you don't have to go nowhere.
Oh, really?
It's a celebration.
Celebrating right.
You celebrate being sexy. Let it all hang out. Now don't you stay a while, babe. Crush grapes is like a lifestyle, babe. What? I like your smile and your nice style, babe.
Oh, really?
Crush grapes is like a lifestyle, babe.
Grazie.
Well, it's a workout that Kelly Ripa, Stacy Keebler, and Emmy Rosen love. It's called Physique 57. I'm here with Tanya to figure out what is it all about.
Well, Physique 57 is a bar-based class that blends intervals of cardio, strength training, and stretching. So it's a one-stop shop, which is great. If you don't have a lot of time, you want to see results fast, Physique 57 is the program for you.
And it goes for 57 minutes, I'm thinking.
Yes, 57 minutes, but we do have 30-minute versions of our class and our DVDs and online.
Now, do you have to know ballet or any dance?
No, not at all. That's the great thing. This class and this workout is for everyone. My mother does it, my husband does it.
So we were trying to kick Ginger out, right? Because that is no good. She thinks her don't stink, and trust me, it do.
Can you sit?
Yeah, you need to sit down for this.
Is this like a new bonding?
No, girl, we don't like you anymore. So you out. That's right.
You disrespect.
You eat all your food, pay all your bills. You don't even have lazy eye. You know who your father is. We over it. And your left is bigger than your right. Yes, know that.
Yeah. You guys are gonna regret this.
Whatever. I'm a river.
There's no voting off on this show.
It wasn't my idea. I didn't even really want her to be voted off.
Well, if there is no voting off, then who gets the money at the end of this?
You see, there's no money.
Ah!
It wasn't my decision.
When the girls accepted me back, I was so happy.
Oh my gosh, I missed you!